Hey guys, welcome back. If your sponge is sitting in a gross puddle of water right now, this video is for you. Today, I'm testing the 6 best sponge holders on Amazon to find out which ones actually keep your sink dry, your sponge fresh, and your countertop looking clean. Let's dive in and find your new sink sidekick. I have used these products, and they are all high-quality products that I highly recommend. I have mentioned all the pros and cons here. I think this one is my top 6 pick. However, you may prefer a different product depending on your needs and preferences. Let's dive in. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Yofidra Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. I started my testing with the Yofidra, and honestly, it made a great first impression. The suction cup mount is strong. I stuck it to the side of my sink, and it hasn't budged in weeks, even with a wet sponge sitting in it all day. The drainage holes are generously sized, so water actually drips through instead of pooling, which was my biggest pet peeve with older holders I've used. It's made from a rust-resistant material that still looks brand new after daily use. Installation took about 30 seconds, no tools needed, and it works on tile, stainless steel, and glass. On the downside, the suction can weaken slightly if your sink surface is textured or has any soap residue, so you'll want to wipe it down before sticking it on. It's also a fairly compact size, so if you use a large scrubber brush alongside your sponge, it might feel a bit tight. Overall, a solid budget-friendly pick. Product number 2. HapiRm Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. Next up is the HapiRm, and this one surprised me with how sturdy it feels for the price. It uses a self-adhesive backing rather than suction, which means once it's on, it's really on. I tried repositioning mine and had to use a hairdryer to loosen the adhesive. The silicone material is soft and flexible, so it doesn't scratch stainless steel sinks, and it comes in a few colors if you want it to match your kitchen aesthetic. It also doubles as a soap dish, which is a nice bonus feature I didn't expect. The main drawback is the permanent feeling adhesive. If you're a renter or like to switch things up often, this might not be ideal. Also, the drainage isn't quite as fast as the suction cup style holders, so standing water can linger a bit longer. Still, for a no-slip, stays-put option, HapiRm delivers. Product number 3. Sicily Sink Caddy Sponge Holder for Kitchen. The Sicily Caddy is the most multifunctional option I tested. It's not just a sponge holder. It has separate compartments for your sponge, scrub brush, dish soap bottle, and even a small hook for a dishcloth. If you like keeping everything organized in one spot, this is a great all-in-one caddy. The stainless steel construction feels premium, and it resisted rust even after a couple of weeks of daily splashing. That said, its bigger footprint means it takes up more counter or sink edge space than the simpler single sponge holders on this list, so measure your space first. The mounting also relies on suction cups, which performed well for me, but may need occasional reapplication over time. If you want an organized, all-in-one sink station rather than just a sponge spot, Sicily is worth the slightly higher price tag. Product number 4. Tiley Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink. Tiley takes a slightly different approach with its adjustable, expandable design that can stretch to fit different sink edges and faucet sizes. I liked that it doesn't rely on suction or adhesive at all. It hangs directly on the faucet, so there's zero risk of it falling off in the middle of the night, as some suction options can. The mesh basket style also allows for maximum airflow, so my sponge dried noticeably faster compared to enclosed holders. The trade-off is that it only works if your faucet has enough clearance to accommodate the hanging design, so it's worth double-checking your setup before buying. It also sways a little when you brush past it, which took some getting used to. But for fast drying, no suction reliability, Tiley is a genuinely clever option. Product number 5. Sicily Kitchen Sponge Holder. Sicily leans into minimalist design, and it's honestly one of the more stylish holders I tried. It has a sleek, modern look that doesn't scream cleaning product sitting on your counter, which I appreciated. The base is weighted, so it sits steady on flat surfaces, even without suction or adhesive. A nice option if you don't want anything stuck to your sink at all. Cleaning it is easy too. It's dishwasher safe, which not all the others on this list are. The downside is that since it's freestanding rather than mounted, it can get knocked over more easily if your countertop space is tight or if kids are around. It also sits directly on the counter rather than the sink edge, so you'll need a bit of extra space nearby. Still, for style points and easy cleaning, Sincily stands out.
Product number 6. 3-in-1 sponge holder for kitchen sink. Rounding out the list is this 3-in-1 holder, and the name is accurate. It holds your sponge, scrub brush, and soap dispenser all in one compact unit. For anyone short on sink-side real estate, this is probably the most space-efficient option I tested. The strong suction base held firm through my entire testing period, and the drainage tray underneath catches drips before they hit your counter, which was a nice surprise. On the flip side, because it's doing 3 jobs at once, each individual compartment is a bit smaller than a dedicated single-purpose holder, so it might not fit an oversized sponge or brush comfortably. Cleaning the tray also requires periodically popping it out, which is a small extra step. Overall though, if you want maximum function in minimum space, this 3-in-1 is hard to beat. And that wraps up our top 6 sponge holders. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If this review helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. Check the links in the description for pricing. See you in the next video.